You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Time ago, I was on this retro game convention where we picked up, let's say, 5 items for €5. That was pretty damn cool, let's say, item to get. But also in this lot we had the Doodle jump leg figure, and I just wanted to check it out for what it is. So basically this was one of my favorite games to play on my Android phone back in the day, and I never knew there was like Doodle jump mega doodles, like these very cool collectible items. Like the book says, collect them all. And let's take a close look also today, which one do we have over here. Well, at the left we do have like the original one, with one that goes to space, one on the ground, get a little bit of Bioshock feeling, a zombie, and yeah, another one with a different pants. Kinda weird, but okay. If you think about it, this is basically series number 1. They have like 6 versions where you can collect. Like, wonder how many of these things that you're going to actually get. How many series did they release? And are they still selling it? That is something I'm going to look into, and just to see if we can collect more of these funny Doodle jump things. Again, like, I don't even like if Doodle jump is still a thing. It's a second-hand product, because I just picked it up second-hand from the seller. He did put it back in the box itself, and the box itself is in very good condition. It did seem some minor wear over here, but that's the only thing I could find. But let's do a quick unboxing and see what we're going to get. So this tape is already loose, this one is same. Let's see, alright, everything has been removed already. So let's do a quick unwrapping. So the packaging, there is not a lot inside the packaging. I do like the art. I don't know if you can see it over here also at the back. You can see all of the monsters, that's pretty damn cool. So this thing is like super lightweight. You can see like it's absolutely heavy displayed. It's even like it's still a little bit filthy. I don't know what the hell happened to this thing, but it feels like a very cheap plastic fantastic thing. Also, I don't know what's going on over here, but ugh. Nevertheless, it is like a little bit of a filthy, or it's just like a horrible quality in general. So this thing had been released in 2014 by Lima Sky, so this thing is already a couple of years old making this video. I really love the details on it, because of course the figure itself, it's not like something that is like super detailed in general. To give you an idea like how light it is, let's weight it. 1 out of 5 grams. Alright, it's okay, but still. Plastic, fantastic. Nevertheless, I think it's a pretty damn cool collectible if you like Doodle Jump. I think Doodle Jump was so much fun. And again, like, the figure looks kind of detailed. It is a little bit lightweighted. I wish I made it like, not like that hollow plastic, but just made it like a full plastic. But maybe this like the way they'd love to make them, because they can make them very cheaply. Yeah, do you have like these Doodle Jump? Like, do you have more of these? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, let me know also, what do you think of this? Would you like consider collecting it? Especially if you can pick it up for €1. Well, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, become a Wicked family. And it would be great to see you in the next video. And the only thing that we need to do is now picking a thumbnail. Thumbnail time.